When you first log into your RankCipher account, you're going to see this dashboard. You can create your first campaign using this button that says create your first campaign. We have menu on the left hand side. The first item is dashboard. Second one is for creating new campaigns. The third one is for general settings and all the integrations we have in RankCipher. And the fourth one gives you the RankCipher's sites list. So let's start with the settings part. Within the settings page, the first tab is regarding your basic information like your name, your password, your email, your time zone, information like that. You can change your password by clicking on the tab here. The next tab is for proxies. Although we have high quality private proxies added on the backend to maintain quality of content submission, but in case the success rate goes down for you, you can add your own proxies as well, because most SEOs want to use their own proxies. So that's why we have added this functionality over here. But if you're new to SEO and you don't know much about it, then just forget about it. Because we have already taken care of it on the back end. The next tab is for spinner integrations. In this software we have integrations with Word AI, Spin Rewriter, Chimp Rewriter, Xspinner, Spinner Browse. You can see that all of the famous spinner are added in RankCipher. You can use any one of them to spin content on the fly. Content spinning is a widely used term or feature in the SEO world, so you may come across it. We recommend using original content and using handwritten content, but if you don't have the resources to get handwritten content, then you can use script content and then spin it. To integrate a new spinner service from the list, just select the type of spinner you want to add and just input your credentials in the form given, hit the button verify and save. This will connect with the API and return you the message if your details are correct or not. Now let me give you an example of Spin Rewriter integration. I have my details already added in this form, so I'm gonna hit verify and save. So you see that it says authentication successful and successfully updated. So if your details for some reason are not correct, then it's going to say that authentication failed. So you know that there is some problem with your details. The next tab is for Captcha integrations. Now you may think that why we need Captcha solvers. You must know that most of the websites these days have Captcha on their forms, like account creation forms. You have to enter your details and you also have to solve a Captcha to create an account with them. And to do hundreds of those account registrations, you cannot solve all the Captchas manually. So the need comes to integrate a Captcha solver that automatically solves all the Captchas while creating accounts. So for this we have integrated multiple Captcha solvers like Captchatronics, Death by Captcha, 2Captcha and others. You can add any one of them. They're pretty cheap, like 1,000 solves for just $1 or $2. So that's not even expensive. You can add their details over here, hit verify and save, and it will connect with their API and it will integrate with the RankCipher system and automatically start solving your Captchas. We recommend using 2Captcha because it can solve all of the major and latest Captchas from Google and other places. Now once you have the Captchas integrated over here, you will see all the list of the Captcha services you have added here. You can set the priority as well by giving them the number 1 or 2. So let's add a new Captcha service into RankCipher's system. I'm going to add 2Captcha. You only need the API key. You can get it by logging into your account and then you can get it from there. So I'm going to add the API key, hit verify and save. So it's going to give me my current balance, that is $1.74, and the account for 2Captcha has been successfully updated and integrated with RankCipher. You can view this account by going into the overview and settings. You can see that 2Captcha has been added. I've set the priority to be 1. like it's going to be the number one priority for the software to use this captcha. If I have other captcha services integrated, I can give them priority like 2, 3. So if 2 captcha fails, then it's going to try with the other captcha service, and then the next. Similarly, you can also give a number to retry attempts. It's going to try for that number of times to solve captcha using this service. The next tab in the settings is for indexer integrations. There are many indexing services around on the internet, and we have tried to integrate all of them. You can use any one of them, or you can use multiple. The main benefit of indexing services is that they help increase the speed of indexing your backlinks. Like you can build backlinks, but most of them do not get indexed almost instantly, or like they take time, maybe a day, 2 month. So you can use indexing services to speed up the indexing process in Google and other search engines. This is also not a mandatory thing to work with RankCipher. Like you can have them to increase your chances of success, but it's not necessary to use them. You can operate RankCipher without even using indexing services. So the must-have thing over here is CAPTCHA integrations. You must add a CAPTCHA from the list, any one of them. We recommend using 2 CAPTCHA for higher success rate. So that's the only thing you need from the settings part that is the most important. For spinner integration, if you need to generate your content, like you want to spin your content all the time, then you can integrate one of the spinners over here. I forgot to mention that we have a built-in RankCipher spinner as well. That is totally free, and that you can use without any cost. So that's going to save you a lot of cost, and you don't need to integrate a third-party spinner if you don't have an account with them. So that's it for the settings part. I'll come back to you in the next video about campaign creation process.